Welcome back, and it's time to answer your portfolio queries. And for that, I am joined by Shweta Jain from Investorography. Shweta, hi, good evening. Welcome to the show. Once again, let's flash our WhatsApp number, which is 865-797-4571, and the email ID where you can send across your queries. It's themoneyshow@etnow.tv. All right, let's get connected with our first viewer, and this is Mr. Shiva. He's in the army, and right now he's posted at Leh, Ladakh. Is that right? Good evening, Mr. Shiva. How are you doing, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good evening, ma'am. Thank you very much. This show is very quite beneficial for many people. Thank you very much.
Thank you for sending us your questions, sir, and hats off to you. You are there posted, and yet you could take out time to speak to us and send across your question. So really grateful. Thank you. You've been holding a mid-cap fund since 2017?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It is HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund, ma'am.
Okay.
Somehow I accumulated some amount, After that, I don't know why I stopped it.
Okay.
I stopped it in 17, ma'am. Still it is giving attractive return. If I'm not wrong, 13-14%. It's
Right.
not less, very less. But I am a little bit confused. I don't need that money. I simply I put a full stop, and it allowed to grow. Is it a right way, ma'am? I don't require it for next 5 years.
Okay. Got it. Shweta, any more clarity that you need from him to answer the question?
Yeah, I wanted to know if this is the only scheme in his portfolio, and could you just repeat the name of the scheme?
Yeah, that's very important. Mr. Shiva, do you have the name of the other schemes, if at all they're a part of your portfolio?
Other scheme, ma'am?
Sorry?
No. This is the HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund.
But is this the only scheme in the portfolio? That's all you are investing into?
No, ma'am. I am moving 50. I have, ma'am, Parag Sarif, Flexi Cap I am having. I am with some index fund, UPI Nifty 50, ma'am.
Okay.
And also HDFC Sensex also, ma'am.
Got it. Okay, so you have other funds as well. All right, Shweta, so in terms of a pure mid-cap, I think that's the only fund that he has, right?
Yeah, so he has he has a decent diversified portfolio. It's good, looking good, and he's been invested and he stayed invested for the last 8 years. I think he should just continue. Of course, we should see that the allocation is okay. I think that he should see one time that this is aligned. It's not too heavy on any one scheme, but otherwise he can continue with the scheme. There's absolutely no reason for him to exit now if he wants to withdraw in the next 5 years.
So he has stopped his SIP since 2017 now, and if at all and if he has to again resume the investment, the same fund is good to go, right?
It is.
Okay, but he has a problem with underperformance.
See, most schemes that we will see a cyclical performance and cyclical underperformance. So he will see that, HDFC, for example, has underperformed for a few years, but then after 2-3 years, it will come back in the top quartile. You will see similar examples in every sector, in every scheme. So I think just the fact that it's a little bit underperforming shouldn't sway him. If he stays invested in this, he will gain much better than withdrawing now and investing in another scheme, paying those taxes. So I would recommend he stays in this.
All right. Shiva, is there anything else you want to ask Shweta? Is that clear to you?
Ma'am, can I resume the SIP in same fund? Is it applicable?
Resuming the SIP in the same fund is what is she asking you to do? That's the advice given to you.
Okay, ma'am. So understood, ma'am.
Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
We move on, and Shweta, let's take Arun's question. He wishes to have 50 lakhs in 3 years, and for that he wants you to suggest some funds. Okay, he's on the phone line as well. Arun, hi, good evening.
Hi, ma'am.
You're calling from?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm calling from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Okay. All right, so you want 50 lakhs in 3 years. You're already investing in SBI large and mid cap. Could you please repeat the other fund's name? You have one SBI large and mid cap and SBI small cap. That's it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Arun, what's your investment amount?
Ma'am, I think I will goal of after the 4 years in 50 lakh, ma'am. And every month I invested in 25,000, ma'am.
Okay, you're investing every month 25,000. Since how long are you investing 25,000?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long? Since how long are you investing 25,000?
More than five years.
Okay, it's been more than 5 years. Do you know your current portfolio value? Okay, that is not audible. But the thing, Arun, over here is your target is very short term. It's just in 3 years, and you've been investing in these funds since last 5 years. And although the funds are good, it's the same AMC, and now to accumulate 50 lakhs from these funds, it's also tricky because it will be an equity approach, and plus 25,000. I'm not sure if it's going to help you accumulate an amount. Shweta, what's the recommendation for him?
So to accumulate 5 lakhs in 3 years, he would need to invest
50 lakhs.
approximately 1.3 lakhs.
50 lakhs, Shweta. 50 lakhs, yeah.
Sorry, 50 lakhs
Yeah.
in 3 years. He would need to invest approximately 1.3 lakhs per month. He would, I'm assuming, have a decent portfolio because he's been investing for a couple of years now. So even if the amount that he needs to, the balance amount that he needs is say 25 lakhs, right? Even if he has accumulated 25, even then his SIP should now be about 50-60,000. Only then he will get to his goal. Having said that, it is quite risky to have a shorter term horizon in equity like 3 years, right? So the SIP that he starts now will only be for 3 years. So then the next year it will be only for 2 years. So he cannot really invest in equity now on. Maybe another year he can invest, but after that he would need to move at least to hybrid and then in a few months again to debt. So these are things that he has to take care. Otherwise, with markets being markets, they will be volatile and they may not treat him kindly at the time when he needs the money. So I would definitely recommend diversify portfolio, and if he can invest more, or have a more realistic time frame to get to the same amount or reduce the goal.
Right. So yeah, it's better to get a realistic time frame, or maybe you just want to rework on your financial goal. But then yeah, it's important for you to diversify across AMCs and asset classes also. That's the advice coming up for you, Arun. And with that, it's a wrap. Thank you so much, Shweta, for being on the show and helping our viewers with their portfolio queries. And for our viewers, I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.